I'm right next to the gas tank right now. Now, right next to the canister. This side's the canister here. This is the two-way solenoid bypass valve right here. Or they call it vent valve. You see, this is how it looks like. Here I have the part number for it. That's how it looks like. You can see there's two clips right here that you're gonna remove. There's one bolt right here going onto the bracket, another one right here, connectors up top, and there's another hose right here, the third one. Now you can see here I'm using the needle nose plier to get it out. Second one. There you go. You can see, got it out. And the bolt right here. And another 10mm right here. The connector. With the connector, you're gonna press down on the tab on top and pull it out. I got the valve out, so it's easier for you to take out the two bolt right here, and then you can get to the connector easier. But here's the original part number. So you're gonna get this at Honda. I believe it's a little bit more expensive than the aftermarket. So, but this is the original number. So while you're here, also check the hose. Make sure there's no crack, no damage. The top one too, right here. You're gonna put the connector in first, and then you're gonna put the two bolts back. So this one is the one gonna go on the inside, and the top one will go on the outside one. You know, buying OEM parts is always better, but it costs a lot more. But you know, aftermarket part works. And I also changed out the gas cap too, because this car has a lot of issue with the gas cap and the two-way valve, which is this one, or they call it the vent valve or the bypass valve. Now I'm going to show you the code. This one's a 2003 Honda CRV 2.4. There's the code. Temporary, I believe it's the same thing. Yes, it's the same thing. So I'm gonna clear the code. Continue. Cycle the key. Back on. And that's it. So if you like my video, leave it a thumbs up. Ask me anything you want to ask me. Comment down below. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. Thank you.